What is up, everybody? Irish Menace here. I have not been on in a long time. I'm sorry about that, but I will be sure to make some more videos. And stay tuned, I will be doing a review on how to take care of some military items. Alright, so let's get ready for this video. So, as you know, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make some easy, simple, about a two-step thing on how to make some oozing shooting targets. Alright, so for me, I think the best is to have some Kool-Aid, cherry. I mean, honestly, you can have any color. You could have a green, you could have an orange, you could have about anything you want. But cherry is the best, and you can have as many packets as you want, but one will do just fine. Alright, so step one is simple to know. Just spin off the lid, and what I like to do is shake it up so all of it gets to the bottom. You can tear off just a little corner, or you can just tear off the entire whole thing pretty much. Alright, then just dip a little corner just like that, then pour it in, all of it. Once you have all of it, put the lid on, and then shake it very much. Guineas. Alright, so just shake the water bottle as much as you can and as fast. Then, you got yourself a target right there. Next, I will shoot one for you guys. I already got it set up. There you go. I'll set you guys nice and close so you guys can see it when it gets impacted. And first, I'll be using my Bowmaster Daisy BB gun. And then next, I'll be using my bow. So, stay tuned for that. Alright, first is the BB gun. I have 20 pumps on it. So, let's see what that can do. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Alright, let's check out how much it's blowing away from you guys. Trail. Ooh. Oh my god. Alright, so it looks like we hit it from here and it came out the back. Not too bad. Maybe they'll shut up if I give them this. No, I wasted it. Alright, now I'll use my bow. This one may be tricky because bows are tricky, you know, especially kid bows very much. Alright, I'll get you guys a little farther around. There we go. Alright. Get all locked and loaded. Guys, I'm ready in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I missed. Darn it. Okay, guys, let's try that again. It looks like we just barely missed it and tipped that outer edge. So, let's try this again. Hopefully the guineas will let you be able to keep your hearing. Alright, yeah, there we go. Okay, let's try this again in 3, 2, 1. Oh, I got me a little Kool-Aid that time. Oh, this is a thumbnail right here. I mean, no, the GoPro. Man, you guys look like you just went swimming. Like, kinda. I mean, you're a bit red. You guys still see? Oh, yeah. Look at that. That's a thumbnail. I mean, if they wouldn't demonetize me, it's going down it. I mean, that's a good hit right there. Set that aside and clean it for later for us. The next one, I mean, these next next to. I could do anything, but I have a good idea. Check, this will be fun. Okay, set these just like this. Execution. Not bad. That was fun. Alright. Comment down below if you guys can guess what I'm about to do. This will be fun. Alright, nice and close. Alright, you guys ready? I'm gonna lock and load. This is gonna be fun. Alright, you guys ready? Okay. 3, 2, okay, hold on. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Well, you guys get the point of what I was trying to do, but it would appear that it actually hit this, but it did not cause any dispersed. But this one, oh, jeez. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Okay. I mean, that kind of looks good, but... Man, the porch is stained. I have a good idea what I'm gonna do with this. Not really, I have no idea. But, oh yes, I know. I did this a long time ago. It was awesome. Boom. Alright guys, let's do this. Just like that. No, don't fall. I don't want any stains. Okay, you guys ready? Hold on guys, GoPro's having a fit here. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it did it again. But I know to finish this guy off. Have a good day, everyone, and stay tuned for another Irish Menace video.